everybody, we're back at it again with another video. Please, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, for we do daily videos like this. And the car almost ran over my drone. Without further ado, let's take this drone somewhere far out. Far out, man. We're going up, 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 up. This is gonna be the start of the monsoon season. Oh my god, look at the wind. The gust of wind is picked up out of nowhere. God bless this drone. It is windy, but it is stable. Ooh, this airplane's out. Looks like a storm behind me. What is that? Is that the storm? Wow, that is crazy. No, that's the storm. That's gotta be the storm. It's gonna start raining here, folks. I definitely have done a storm. Which way were we going? Is that E-Mountain? No. Let's see. Was it this way? Let's see.
Do you know the way?
I gotta keep an eye at the battery life. Not too sure what direction I'm going for. Range extenders on. I think that's the right word. Breakage. About. This is the reason why. Okay. Let's turn back. I made it to here.
We've been trying to reach you concerning your car's extended warranty.
No!
I've ever flown at. And it handled it like a champ. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't know. It is drifting. Or should I just fly back? I should probably fly back, huh? Fly back. No gimbal shift, huh? Oops. I just have my finger on the joystick. Zooming back in sports mode. Oh, this is dangerous. My blood pressure is definitely going. fucking around while we're flying home, shall we? Yo, how fast are we going? He was just spinning.
Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Everybody get it up, it's a party song.
Saw that it was spinning on its own. Definitely off course, so. Getting a bunch of warnings. Wow, look at that. That is dope. Downtown Tucson. Are we here? We are here. We are at our destination. Whoa, it is
Do you know the
way
way?
up there. Wow. Sorry. Damn it. That is crazy, yo. 45% battery life. Is this recording, buddy? Oh shit, don't land on the car. That was surely fun, you guys. We got 40% battery life. Let's check out. Oh, power lines. Just one more time.
Do you know the way?
I cried out here, airplane. Bring this bird down. Oh, the airplane's way over there. Wow. Look at it just ripped to the sky.
Know the way.
Nope.
Jeez, this gets.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Right? I don't hear it. Me? Yep. Yeah. I can see it. No. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Please, if this is something you like, please consider subscribing. We're trying to do a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness.